this Mandalorian costume primarily out of foam, glue, spray paint, and other household materials. And this is how I made it. Alright, so I actually shot the intro to this video like a long time ago and then never finished it, but I always wanted to make this sort of overview conclusion video to the Mandalorian cosplay series, just to kind of summarize the build process. And also, I only made 7 chapters, and every Mandalorian season has 8, so I needed to get another video out there for you guys. But this all started back in November of last year. After the premiere of The Mandalorian Season 2, I decided to make his helmet right back here. And to do that, I basically just followed Din Djarin at Punish Props, his template and tutorial videos to create that helmet out of foam, just kind of dipping my toes into the water. But once I finished that, I was ready to dive right into this full cosplay build. And so I began patterning out each individual piece of armor, which I made out of foam. But good news for you, if you want to build along, I have made templates for the chest plate, shoulder armor, leg armor, knee armor, whatever you want, I've got it, linked in the description for free. I painted them all with metallic silver spray paint and weathered them with the now iconic black shoe polish. I then moved on to his belt and bandolier, which has a ton of really fun accessories on it, and that was actually the first piece, other than the helmet, that I was able to wear, because all of the individual armor pieces had nothing to attach to. That's a segue into the next video, where I made his undersuit and all of the miscellaneous pieces that I haven't made so far. I went to the thrift store to find some cheap brown clothing to wear underneath, and I attached all the armor with Velcro, so you can still take it off to transport it around and put it on a lot easier. I also made his cape and gloves and boots, and then I could actually suit up in the costume itself, which felt really, really awesome. It wasn't quite done yet though. I made his jetpack out of mostly dollar store materials, which looks super cool, and his blaster pistol, which I modeled after Steve's at SKS Props. And for being my first ever scratch-built gun made out of foam and plastic, I am super proud of the way that turned out. And then of course, no Mando costume would be complete without the adorable baby Yoda. I may not have built him from scratch, but I took the Mattel toy and gave him a makeover, repainted all of his features to look a bit more lifelike, gave him some posable arms, and even those little hairs on the top of his head. And you know he's gotta have his sweet ride, so I made his levitating pram pod out of a couple of plastic bowls, foam, and paint. And that's it. It's as simple as that, but there are more detailed videos that go into the specifics of making each individual piece, linked in the description down below and at the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for supporting this entire series. It's the best costume I've ever made, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. But, like I said, go and click on those other videos. There's loads more costumes and props like them, stuff you see back here on the set or elsewhere on my channel. And until I see you guys right here next time on The Costume Kid. Getting a little old, you're a teenager. Yeah, I've seen the comments.